Good evening. Tonight's presentation is Increase Your Worth and Improve Your Communication. So what if somebody told you that you could increase your worth just simply by working on your communication skills? This is exactly what Warren Buffett told a class of business students. He said better communication could boost their value by 50%. If this can really improve your worth, I think it's something we should definitely make an effort towards. I'm going to hit on 3 key points, and the first key point we're going to hit on is grammar skills. If you're somebody that's not, that grammar skills is not your strong suit, definitely work towards improving those skills. You need to look at what is the message that you're trying to portray. Easily, just by misplacing commas or not putting them in, you can change the meaning of a simple sentence. So you have to look over that, proofread it, read it out loud, have somebody else look over it before it's sent out. You want to really review these things so that way you are portraying that message that you want, because this is a reflection on yourself. The next point is to keep it simple. Forbes indicated that people don't trust what they don't understand. So if you're putting out this long message and you're not to the point, you're not saying what really needs to be happening, people aren't going to understand. They're not going to follow you. They're not going to trust you. They're not going to believe what you're saying. So you have to also find the best way to communicate that message. So sometimes, it's by a PowerPoint presentation. Other times it's an email. Other times it's pulling a team together for a meeting, or sometimes it's a one-on-one step-by-step training to show somebody how to do it, but you have to keep it simple. You can't drag things out. The third thing would be to connect. You want to connect with your audience, so you want to talk to them and not at them, and you want to be specific. You don't want to generalize, so you don't want to make a general statement that's really just covering this broad subject. You want to really be specific, and then you want to collaborate. You want to ask for input. People have more buy-in when they feel that their voice is being heard. And so when you can actually connect with them, empathize, with the people that you're talking to, you're going to have a better connection, and your message is going to, go further. They're going to remember the message that you were trying to give. So increasing your worth, the 3 key points were enhancing your grammar skills, keep the message simple, and connect with your audience. So if it's as simple as just working on these communication skills, it's something that, we should really make an effort towards. If it's going to help you get that next job, if it's going to increase, the effectiveness on your team, those are things we have to take into consideration when we're communicating. People look at us, we're a leader. We need to, lead by example, show them the way, show them that, hey, you can do this, and communication is one of the keys to getting there. Thank you.